The United States, Japan, and Australia urged the Philippines to abide by its own legal victory against China over the disputed South China Sea. The three countries' foreign ministers, Rex Tillerson of the US, Taro Kono of Japan, and Julie Bishop of Australia, issued the same reminder to China at the end of their trilateral meeting in Manila, on the sidelines of the 50th Association of Southeast Asian Nations Foreign Ministers meeting. The three foreign ministers are referring to the Philippines' legal victory against China before a Hague tribunal in July 2016. But Philippine President Rodrigo Duterte has downplayed the ruling to boost economic ties with Beijing. Tillerson, Kono, and Bishop also expressed serious concerns over maritime disputes in the South China Sea, parts of which the Philippines claims as the West Philippine Sea. The three ministers also urged claimants in the South China Sea to refrain from coercive unilateral actions that could alter the status quo and increase tensions. The ministers also call on the ASEAN and China to quickly finalize a legally binding code of conduct in the South China Sea. China on Sunday warned ASEAN against interference from outside parties in drafting a COC.